everyone, welcome to my today's activity. Today let's study about microbial activity by a small activity. I need sugar, yeast, a balloon, a cup, warm water and a bottle. I pour 200 milliliters of warm water and now I am adding 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon of yeast. Then again I am dissolving. And now I am keep it for 20 minutes. Here now we can observe sugar and yeast mixture is bubbling and become warming. And I also smell the odor of alcohol. So the reason for that is ethyl alcohol is produced due to the activity of yeast in sugar solution. Next I pour a newly prepared sugar and yeast solution into the bottle. Then I fixed a balloon to the mouth of the bottle. And we observe after about 20 minutes. Here, now you can observe the balloon is inflated because a gas is produced due to the activity of yeast in sugar solution. And the gas produced here is carbon dioxide. So, this activity reveals us when the yeast in a food is exposed to air, microbes act on it very easily because the environment provides suitable moisture and temperature for microorganisms grow. Once you like this video, leave a like and subscribe this channel to see new videos. Thanks for watching my video. See you again on another video.